Namaste, everyone.
My name is Genevieve.
My name is Natasha.
My name is Chris, and it's my great pleasure to invite you to join us in Nicaragua in January for a transformational journey.
These 200-hour immersive trainings are so much more than about learning the craft of yoga.
We are going to be diving into our asana practice, not only learning about our own bodies, but also diving into that journey of self-inquiry and self-discovery.
These immersive trainings help us evolve, they shift us, and they heal us on a soul level. So you're not the same person when you leave 3 weeks later as you were when you arrived.
A large focus of what we intend to bring is to empower you to really feel the depths of how to live and really show up in the world off the yoga mat.
So with this kind of model of a 3-week intensive, we can just continuously build on the training and on the learnings and just go deeper and deeper into this amazing yoga journey that is life.
It really is quite magical. I hope you can join us.
Namaste.